In this video, I'll show you how to reset a Windows 10 or Windows 11 password without using any third-party tools. Step 1. Restart with Shift key. First, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click Restart from the Start menu or the login screen. Step 2. Open Command Prompt. Wait for your computer to restart, then select Troubleshoot, and after that, choose Command Prompt. Step 3. Replace Utilman.exe. Type the following command and press Enter. Copy C:\Windows System 32. Utilman.exe Windows System 32. Utilman.exe backup. Next, type this command and press Enter. Copy C:\Windows System 32 cmd.exe Windows System 32. Utilman.exe/y. Step 4. Restart into Windows. Close Command Prompt by clicking the X in the top right corner, then choose Continue to start Windows normally. Step 5. Open Command Prompt from Accessibility. Once Windows starts, click the accessibility icon in the bottom right corner of the login screen. This will open Command Prompt. Step 6. List accounts and reset password. Type the following command and press Enter to see the list of accounts. Net Local Group Administrators. Choose the account you want to reset and type Net User, Account Name. Replace account name with the name of the account. Enter the new password, press Enter, then type it again to confirm, and press Enter once more. Step 7. Log in. Close Command Prompt and log in using your new password. And that's it. This method works for local accounts. If you'd like me to make a video on how to reset passwords for accounts linked to a Hotmail or Microsoft account, let me know in the comments.